heard the news headlines. The real estate industry is on fire. Lenders are the gatekeepers to make home buying dreams come true. Bill Case, President and CEO of American Mortgage Service Company, explains the variety of loan options.
Conventional loans are typically the lowest interest rate and lowest cost loans. Probably about 60% of our customers use conventional loan financing. FHA loans are for those that with a little less than perfect credit. VA loans are for those in the military, whether they're active or been honorably discharged, or if they're in the reserves. Reverse mortgages are for homeowners that are 62 years of age and older. Biggest misconception about down payments are that people think they still have to have 20% down. There are programs out there that are 0% down.
There are several qualifying criteria that lenders take into consideration when reviewing an application for approval. Mortgage loan officers help clients get all their ducks in a row.
Credit scores are the single most important factor in getting a home loan. Some debts are worse than others. Maxing out credit cards is not a good thing. Installment debts like student loans and car loans are good. It shows your ability to make high monthly payments.
Saving for a down payment can be quite a daunting task. However, folks have eliminated so many monthly expenses by staying home during the pandemic.
One of the things that's come out of the pandemic, while it being a very negative event overall, is that people have been able to save money at incredible rates. They've not been spending money on social events, sporting events, concerts, eating out. I think the best thing somebody can do is to run their own budget. You need to look at how you want to live your life. So the fact that they say, well, you qualify for a $300,000 loan, well, maybe your lifestyle, you should be a $200,000 loan because you want to be able to live a full life.
Condos have increased in popularity due to affordability, but single-family homes are predominantly what house hunters are looking for. The largest group of first-time home buyers are millennials in their mid-20s to early 30s. The mortgage business is more than just crunching numbers. It is about helping families purchase a home to raise kids in. New dad Tyler Hopperton recently took out a mortgage and found a home in the Cincinnati area with his wife.
Now was a great time for me and my wife to purchase our first home, as we now have a 1.5-year-old that's climbing on everything and running around. I think as a parent, you want your child to have plenty of space and ultimately their own space. So we were renting before, and buying our own space was important to us so that we could kind of shape it to our own family's needs. Saving for a down payment was really tough at first. But once quarantine hit, we were spending less money. The low interest rates definitely helped with that.
American Mortgage Service Company guided Tyler and his wife every step of the way.
I encourage first-time homebuyers just to ask questions, let people explain it to you. They do it for a living. A mortgage has always just been super intimidating for me. So the biggest thing was getting a loan company that you trust. American Mortgage was very approachable and very responsive. If we had a question, they answered it immediately. Definitely put our minds at ease.
Bill is a mortgage master now, but once upon a time, he was a first-time homebuyer, so he knows firsthand all the jitters his clients are experiencing.
It's interesting how many people feel they won't qualify for a loan, even those that are well qualified. Your first time in buying a home can seem overwhelming. You have so many decisions to make, so many things to be attentive to. It's important for us at American Mortgage Service Company to make the mortgage process as simple and easy for every customer. People like Tyler, and hearing feedback from him about how we made the process easy for him and rewarding, we draw great satisfaction from that.
American Mortgage Service Company has exclusively been in the mortgage business since 1975. For more information, go to AmericanMortgage.com or Designingspaces.tv.